If you're looking for a fun, highly personalized gift for Valentine's Day and you like creative digital things, then I highly recommend this for Valentine's this year or any other day that you want to show someone how special they are to you in a very personal and unique way. I was gifted this adorable book for a review, and it is intended to be a gift book that you order but then make yourself, and it has a digital component that I'll show you in a few seconds. So what it is, you open it right here, you'll scan this, and this will help you to make your digital chapter online. Comes with some stickers that you can use to embellish it. And the book is what I love about whoever, and you put your recipient's name there. Then there are 45 different things. You have a habit of blank that always makes me smile. My favorite version of you is the one that shows up when blank. How much fun would this be, especially if you've been with the recipient, your partner, for years, to go through these? It'll bring up so many memories for you and so many memories for them. Here you need to scan the QR code with your camera. It takes you to the website. And on the website, you will hit Start Creating. And then it will take you to where you enter in the name of your book and the recipient and your email and all those types of things. And then once you do that, at the bottom it has options for photo, letter, a voice memo, a secret note, an event. And so here I'm showing you how I am uploading a photo, picking it from my phone's library, and then it will just upload it. And now it's part of the book. And then I can do something else like add a memory. So here's an example of a semi-completed book. You just scroll through it and it'll show you all the things you uploaded. At any time you can do back to editor so that you can change it and add things, and also when you're done you can hit publish project and you'll have sharing options.